Happy Saturday, everybody. What we're going to do this morning is I'm making 5-minute pizza sauce. So let's get started. The first thing you're gonna need is a bowl and a whisk, or a fork, or a spoon. And you're gonna need 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, whatever brand you want. I'm just using store brand. And you're gonna need a 16-ounce can of tomato sauce. I didn't have a 16-ounce can, but I have 2 8-ounce cans, so I'm gonna use that. First, you're gonna add your tomato sauce to your bowl. Then you're gonna add your 6-ounce can of tomato paste to the tomato sauce. Now you wanna whisk the tomato paste into the tomato sauce so everything is well blended and smooth and there are no lumps, just like that. Once everything is mixed, you wanna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oregano, and you wanna add 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, and a ½ teaspoon of onion powder. Now you want to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and you want to add about 1½ to 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper, and lastly 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now whisk all of your ingredients together so everything is well blended, just like that. Now get a container or a jar with a tight-fitting lid, and you're going to place your sauce right into your jar, just like that. And you're going to place the lid on it, and that's it. It's done. And there's our 5-minute pizza sauce. You can place this in the refrigerator. It will stay good up to 8 weeks. I'm going to be using a little bit of this later because I'm going to be making mini crescent dough pizzas, which I'm really excited about. So I'll post that a little bit later. I hope you like this. It's really delicious. And have a great morning, and I'll see you later. Bye.